Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and this is a whole box of washi tape that the Washi Tape shop sent to me. And you guys, I'm so excited. I love the Washi Tape shop, and when they reached out to see if I might want to check out some more of their washi tapes, and I was like, yes. Like, I think I replied super fast and was like, yes, yes, please. And they also sent me a coupon code for you guys. So if you use the code ScrappyWife10, then you will save 10% on your order, which is awesome. And they're also having a huge deal coming up. So like the biggest savings of the year are for their Boxing Week sale, which is December 24th through December the 31st. You get 20% off your whole order, which is amazing. And they have so many washi tapes, like so many washi tapes and stickers and journals and tons of stuff. And I'm so excited to dive in. So if you would like to see what they sent me, then stay tuned. Okay, so I don't have the names in front of me of all of the different washi tapes. I will definitely look them up and I'll put them on screen so you guys can see which washi tape is which. So if you want to check it out on their website, and of course I'll have links and things like that below. So I'm really excited. They have just some really nice specialty washi tape, and then they have some really good basics as well. Just like, it's a great place. And as soon as I found out there was a place called the Washi Tape Shop, I was like, yeah, I'm totally in. And each of their washi tapes, look at how cute. It's like opening a little present. I'm so pumped. So I'm going to kind of pull this off and then we'll see. This one looks really wide. Let me pull this off and then we will unwrap it. All right, the first one we have feels like spring. Look at this. It hasn't even repeated yet, you guys. Like, this is a lot of different. There. Look at how long that is. So you have those, all of these little like houses and teacups. It feels like fairy garden-esque. This is definitely giving me like fairy garden feels. These are on clear backing. So let me like roll. You can use these in several different ways. So you could cut off individual ones, use them as stickers. You can also like do a whole long roll. So let me show you when you pull it. Pull this backing a little bit. So see, it's clear. It's clear right there. That is so pretty. This one's cut because I cut it with my scissors on accident. Oh, I love it. This is going to be so pretty for the spring. I feel like it just is giving me fairy garden vibes. Like, how fun would it be to do a fairy garden theme? My daughter used to have a fairy garden. I loved it. And the fairy would leave her little notes. It was awesome. So there's one. Let's see what else. I think these are all kind of the clear vibe. That same kind of feel. So let's open this one up. It is like opening a present each and every time. Oh my goodness. This one has like the butterflies, all the butterfly feels. So let's pull this up. There. Oh my goodness. So I feel like I would most likely put this across like a whole planner spread. It sets the tone. You can journal over the top. You could also use your scissors and cut out some of these sections. Look at those butterflies. I'm trying to look for where that's not a repeat yet. Let's see. They're just so long before you repeat at all. That's crazy. That is so pretty. This is where it starts to repeat. So I feel like you get like 2 feet. 2 feet before it even starts to repeat, which is amazing. That is so fun and pretty. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use these unique washi tapes. Like, they are just, they're inspiring. You know what I mean? Like the artwork. Yes, I like basic washies too. Like, those are a lot of fun. But the artwork on some of these is just, it's absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. Look at these girls. They are so cute. Let me get the tape open on this one. And stop it. Look at them. Think of the scenes you could make with those. Oh, I love it. Plan summer trips, go hiking. Look at with their little cleaning supplies. Hanging out, going for ice cream. Oh, I'm all about these girls. Stop it. Those are adorable. Those are so cute. Oh, I cannot wait to use those. There's gonna be some cute journaling. Oh my goodness, you could use, my brain is going on overload. I do daily journaling pages. I'm like, you could just grab a couple girls for each day and you could do so many days before it even starts to repeat. And they kind of tell a story. I love it. Okay, those are super cute. Oh, that one's adorable. All of these are a surprise to me. I did not know what they were sending me. So I'm excited to kind of dive in and see. I think this is my last clear one, maybe? Let's see. Let's open it and see what we have. Again, oh my goodness, look at those florals. Stop. The florals are so pretty. Let's just getting the tape off here at the beginning so that you can start to see. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is actual. Okay, got to step a little bit. Look at the florals. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Let me undo this just a moment. Okay, I got it sorted out. Look at these. Again, like layering. For this one, I would probably cut out different sections and then layer it behind boxes. And you get so many different clusters. These would be gorgeous in your Bible as well. Like just for a little bit of something, a little bit of color. These are really pretty. Do you see what I'm talking about with like the artwork? It's a whole different level than just your typical washi that you would use just to blend into the background. This is like washi that's meant to be the main feature. I feel like that is so pretty. Okay, there's some sets, or is this one? Let's see. This is big. This one's big. This one's called 4 Seasons. What? Seasonal washi tape. Oh my goodness. Winter Wonderland. All right, we gotta open it. I think these are individual stickers. Let's see. Let's open it and see. There's the tape. It looks like, yep, these are individual stickers that you can pull off that are that washi tape kind of feel. Oops, one of them came off right here. Let's stick this guy back on because I don't want to waste any of it. Look at how cute. I love the game board. It's like all the cozy vibes. Sorry, that one came off. Cozy vibes, holiday concert. Oh, I love those. Okay, so that's the winter one. Let's see if we can guess the other seasons as we get going. So we have those, and then, okay, here's summer. You have the grilling, your summer camp journal, like strawberry, raspberry pie. I love it. Look at the bike. And then the cleaning, like spring cleaning, summer cleaning, grilling out avocado toast, and the kite. I love the muted tones too. I think these are beautiful. You can totally combine these with those girls. I think that would be adorable. That's awesome. Okay, there's that one. This one, so this one must be the spring because I'm seeing like spring and summer probably overlap, just a guess. Let's get the tape off this one. All right, so you got strawberry picking, yes, with your bike, camping out, sitting out. Oh, the camper, the little martini. Look at those. And the Ferris wheel. I love the icons. Those are really pretty. And they're just like the same material as washi tape, but they're stickers. So you just pull them off. It reminds me of those sticker rolls. From when I was little, you would go into a store, like a teacher store, and they would have all the sticker rolls on the wall, and you could buy them like little by little. That's how these are. Okay, let's take this one off. So that means this one is probably fall, probably all the fall feels. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at the clothing, the candle, pies and tea, pumpkin. Oh, those are beautiful. Look at the gathering of the acorns and things and the mushrooms. That's like mushroom gathering, you guys. And then they have soup. How beautiful. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited to use all of these. Seasonal washi is so fun. So fun. Okay, let's see. There's a lot in here, you guys. What is this one? This one is called Morning Dew. So this is another wide one, and it's the clear. So another clear one. Ooh, so pretty with the butterflies. I'm a sucker for butterflies. Let's see this one. Look at that. Oh, this one has gold foiling on it. That is beautiful. It's just, it looks like watercolor. It's so pretty. It's just another level. You know what I mean? Oh, I love it. Okay, there's going to be some pretty awesome spreads coming with these washi tapes. I think they are so unique and beautiful. Okay, then we have some 3 big rolls. So let's see what each of these. This one is called Winter Woodland Washi Tape Stickers. So these are stickers. This is a winter theme. Perfect timing. It's just starting to get cold, like super cold where I am. These are all stickers. Oh my goodness. The snowman. Oh, this one, you guys. This one's adorable. Let me get the tape off of these and then I can show them to you. Okay, so here's our winter set. Look at the houses. These are all individual stickers that you can pull off the presents. Look at the mushroom house. These are so cute. So it looks like here is our length. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different houses before it starts to repeat. Perfect for building scenes. I love the red and the blue feel because I feel like that can go into January. It doesn't have to feel Christmassy. Here's our elves. It's like Santa's workshop up in here. So let's see, it starts to repeat right here. So you have our little elf, our toy, candle. You have all the Christmas treats and the Santa mug. Like, excuse me, those are adorable. These are all individual stickers. So perfect for Christmas time. I like the thermos too. That is very cute. This one feels like an old-fashioned, like at-home Christmas treat kind of feel. And then this one I thought was adorable. It is all of our winter friends. We have some blue Christmas trees. Again, the red and blue I'm digging. I like the snow glow. Those are so sweet. I love that. I love it. Those are adorable. Okay, so that's the Winter Wonderland stickers. And then we have another set of stickers. This one is, I'm going to say it wrong. Ricordi della, let's see what it is. Open it up. Nope. Is that washi tape? There's some washi tape and some stickers. This one looks like washi tape stickers, and washi tape. Let me open them up and then I will show them to you guys. Okay, so we have 2 sets of stickers. These are all individually cut. So these are stickers. It's like little journaling bits. This would be perfect in any sort of bullet journal. This one would be so pretty. And again, you get so many different ones. It starts to repeat right up here. So I'm going to put it sideways, or maybe And it's in another language, and it's just beautiful and soft and feminine. Perfect little touches to your planner or to your journaling that you might be doing. Prayer journaling, here's little journaling spots. Look at those. Great for layers, I feel like. That's pretty. I like the little journaling boxes. And then this set happens to come with 2 sets of stickers and then 2 sets of washi tape. So here is one of the washi tapes. Very pretty for spring. Love that one. And then the other one has these hand-drawn, that like brown gingham in the back, and then the drawn like sunflowers. So pretty. I love it. Okay, so that is another definitely kind of geared towards the spring. So I'm looking forward to using that, soft and feminine. And then this one is called Green Oasis Washi Tape Set. Let's check it out and see what it has. Okay, so these are all stickers as well, but are you kidding me? All these plants, you know that I'm going to be able to use so many of these. They are so pretty. This is perfect. If you are like a plant lady, I'm not a plant lady, but I can play with stickers of plants. I'll do sticker plants all day, real plants. Look at these with the gold foiling. These are all individually cut stickers, like I said before. So pretty and soft, and then it will just like melt into your page. That's what the washi tape stickers just blend so beautifully into your page. I love it. And then those, look, it's so pretty. I'm ready for spring. Not really. I'm ready for some winter snow, but then as soon as we get one snow, then I'll definitely be ready for spring. So thank you so much to the Washi Tape Shop, you guys. This is amazing. I'm so excited to start playing with these and showing you how I would use them. But be sure to check out their website. So like this is obviously just a very small sampling of what they have. They sent me a ton of stickers this time around, but they have a ton of washi tape. Like I said, they have like all of the really unique washi that you just can't find other places, and so you won't regret going to check them out. Don't forget to use my code ScrappyWife10. I do have an affiliate link down in the description box, and of course they're having that huge sale from December the 24th through December the 31st. That is the time to shop. Go check it out. Go, add some things to your cart and you get 20% off your order, which is amazing. What a fantastic deal. So let me know what you think. Let me know what sets kind of jumped out at you. I am very excited about the people and then all of the stickers that I can create scenes with. That is going to be super fun. So check out the links in the description box, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. And I hope that you all have a fabulous day. As always, keep it creative.